Namaste and good morning to everyone. I hope you all doing good. Today in this video I'll be doing facial yoga in a very simple way. So how to do it I will let you know step by step. First step, keep your thumb on your nostril. Rest of the fingers together. Second step, make a pout and inhale gently from your mouth. Third step, blow out your cheeks. And fourth step, chin down, lock your chin and hold the breath. Close your eyes and slowly come back and exhale from your nostril. So in total we have 6 steps. One is this, keeping your thumb on your nostril. Second, pout. Third, blowing out your cheeks. Fourth, locking your chin. Fifth, eyes closed. And sixth, exhale from your nostril. So it's very easy. So without stopping, let's do it continuously 5 times. Slowly come back and be there for a while. Thank you so much for watching the video. I hope you like it. Now we will see you in our next video. Till then,